Being in the business of organizing businesses for over a decade, we witnessed one of the most critical milestones in company's life cycle is organizing operations and preparing for expansion. Whether you're scaling from a small startup to growing a mature business, strategic organization and thoughtful expansion are essential. Hello everyone, myself Dr. Rupal Agarwal, Chief Strategy Officer at YRC, a retail and e-commerce management consulting company. And today I'm here to share our experience on how to organize and expand a business. Let's start with these 7 steps. At number 7, establish a strong organizational structure. A well-defined organizational structure creates clear lines of responsibility, improves decision-making, and ensures that everyone is aligned with the company's goals. Start by clarifying roles and responsibilities. Ensure each role has a clear JD or job description so that no task is overlooked. Building leadership capabilities, wherein you identify key leaders who can take on greater responsibilities as the company scales. And then building your organizational chart, which is a visual tool which helps highlight areas that you might need new hires or adjustments. Step number 6, optimize business processes. Process optimization is key to creating an efficient and scalable operations. By identifying bottlenecks and streamlining workflows, you can reduce costs, improve productivity, and handle larger volumes as your business grows. The important steps to consider here are mapping your current processes. Document core processes like your procurement, sales, customer service to get a clear view of the operational flow. Then identify inefficiencies, look for bottlenecks, redundancies, or processes that could be automated. And then leverage technology. Invest in automation tools like ERP, CRM, and workflow management platforms to improve accuracy and reduce manual work. The unfortunate truth is even larger companies, more than 70% of them, still struggle with process inefficiencies. Optimizing your processes not only saves time and resources, but also ensures that your business can scale seamlessly. At number 5, build a scalable business model. A key part of organizing for expansion is ensuring that your business model can scale without being hampered by its structure or lack of resources. Key considerations here are evaluate your pricing strategy and ensure it's adaptable as you scale. Expand strategically. Introduce new products or services that align with your brand and consider operational impact of those. And build a flexible structure. Ensure your supply chain and distribution channels can handle the increased demand efficiently. A scalable business model ensures that growth doesn't overwhelm your resources or dilute your brand's value. At number 4, strengthen financial management. Financial management is critical to successful expansion. Without proper financial planning, even a profitable business can face cash flow issues during growth. Focus on detailed financial forecasting, predict cash flows, revenue, costs across various growth scenarios, and manage your working capital efficiently. If required, secure your funding strategically, whether through reinvesting profits or investors or loans, etc., and monitor your financial KPIs. Keep an eye on key metrics like gross margin, customer acquisition cost, ROI to ensure financial sustainability. At number 3, invest in talent and culture. As your business grows, it's essential to invest in the right talent and foster company's culture. A well-organized and motivated team is the key to executing your expansion plans successfully. The important things to consider here are recruit strategically, ensure they are culturally fit within your organization, focus on retention. Growth can strain your team, so have programs in place to retain top talent and avoid burnout. Scale your culture. As your business expands, so must your culture. Invest in leadership development and communicate to ensure values remain intact. Organizing your talent effectively is crucial to sustaining your growth trajectory. Number 2, create a roadmap for expansion. A clear, actionable roadmap is essential for successful expansion. It helps you stay focused and minimizes risks as your business grows. In your roadmap, you must include your short-term and long-term goals, detailed action plan, risk management strategies, and so on. A roadmap provides a focused direction for business growth and ensures that your team is aligned with your expansion goals. And last but not the least, at number 1, we have leverage technology for growth. In the digital age, technology is a key enabler of growth. From automating repetitive tasks to unlocking data-driven insights, integrating the right technology is vital to scaling efficiently. Focus on automation, implement ERP systems, CRM tools, workflow automation systems, data analytics, use business intelligence tools to analyze customer data, forecast demand, optimize your supply chain. Also, you can include cloud-based computing systems that offer flexibility to adapt to your growth without heavy investment in physical infrastructure, and AI and machine learning tools. These technologies enhance everything from customer service to predictive maintenance, improving operational efficiency and customer experience. Investing in the right technology ensures that your operations are future-ready and scalable. At YRC, we've spent over a decade helping businesses like yours develop strategic plans for organizing and expanding effectively. We know that with the right structure, optimized processes, scalable model, financial discipline, and right technology, your business can achieve that sustainable growth that you're dreaming of. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, do not forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more expert insights on retail and e-commerce management from YRC.